You are going to do a 50% job of your beauty for your face. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, if you don't do this in your daily skin routine, no matter how good you treat your skin, no matter how expensive products you're using on your face, you are not going to get rid of your wrinkles and you are not going to get younger. Stay with me to tell you what is it that you should do. Sleeping. Yes, I know many of you know already that sleeping is very good for health, for skin and all that, but I'm here to open up a little bit this subject and tell you that what wonders sleeping can bring for your skin and why your products are not working on your face because you don't know how to sleep. Actually, you don't know how to do a beauty sleep. First, I should tell you, sleeping can dramatically reduce your wrinkles. It'll smooth your face. It can make you get rid of your acne, eczema, pimples, and finally to give you a very smooth skin. An important thing is that when you are having a good and proper sleep, all the skincare that you're using is going to get much deeper in your skin tissue. What happens when you sleep? When you sleep, the blood flow under your skin, it flows faster, so it stimulates the production of collagen for your skin, and actually your skin starts repairing itself from the UV exposure, from all the other factors that you're exposed in your daily life. And if you do not sleep enough, what will happen is that the lack of sleep causes the cortisol hormone, which is responsible for your stress, to produce more in your body and make your skin inflamed, which can result in eczema, which can result in acne, dark spots, and all of the things. Okay, how the beauty sleeps happen and how we should do a beauty sleep when we are sleeping. First, you should know that we have two sleep levels. One is a snoozing and one is REM, which is rapid eye movement, and it's when we are going to a very deep sleep. So basically, when we are snoozing, the collagen production happens in your skin tissue, and when we are going into the deep sleep, which is REM, that's when the deeper layers of skin tissue start being repaired, and that's when actually the wrinkles and all the aging factors of your skin is going to be disappear. So REM cycle is very, very important if you want to have a very young and wrinkle-free skin. Here are some very foundational and important questions that you should know the answer and you're all good to go. First, how many hours we should sleep for the beauty sleep, and how we should make a snoozing and REM, how much REM we need, how much snoozing we need in our sleep, and when to go to sleep. Okay, you need 7 to 8 hours of sleep, including a snoozing and REM cycle. So 7 to 8 hours is a pretty good time for a complete sleep every night. And the research in 2014 has been said that if you go regularly before midnight, which is before 12, in your bed, it's the best time for you to get a good sleep as a beauty sleep. So if you do this routine regularly in a long term, you are going to see a big, wonderful effects on your skin. Subject to keep this routine on a regular basis. And how many hours we should snooze us, how many hours we should have REM. This is not in our hand, but it just happens naturally. It has been said if you sleep between 7 to 8 hours, you are going to have 3 to 5 cycle of REM, which is the deepest sleep, and the last cycle lasts about 1 hour. So a healthy person for beauty sleep should have 20 to 25% of the whole sleep amount as REM cycle, which is about 90 minutes. So if you have a 90 minutes of REM sleeping cycle in your whole sleep time, then that's the best thing for the beauty sleep. I have been keeping my sleep routine so regular for years now, and I am so happy with my skin that every morning I just wake up and look at my skin in the mirror without even washing my face, without doing anything on my skin. I just love it, and I just want to just keep looking at my skin, and sometimes I don't even want to put any makeup on my face because it's just so amazing as it is. So this is a guarantee. If you have a good proper sleep, you are going to do a 50% job of your beauty for your face. I hope you enjoyed this video, and until the next videos, bye.